The 1969 Ford Mustang Mach 1 Cobra Jet 427 side oiler is one of the most iconic muscle cars ever produced, known for its raw power, aggressive styling, and legendary racing heritage. While the original 1969 Mach 1 was a massive hit among performance enthusiasts, one particular variant stands out for its rarity and unique modifications. It's the 427 side oiler version, a muscle car enthusiast's dream that is surprisingly affordable by today's standards. In 1969, Ford introduced the Mach 1 series as the high-performance version of the Mustang, alongside models like the Boss 302 and Boss 429. The Mach 1 quickly became the go-to muscle car for fans of raw power and track-ready performance. While most Mach 1s came with the 351 Cleveland V8 engine, there were also performance variants equipped with the iconic 428 Cobra Jet V8. But what makes this specific 1969 Mach 1 even more exciting is that it houses a 427 side oiler V8 engine, which was originally discontinued in late 1967. The 427 side oiler is a legend in its own right, as it was the heart of Ford's successful campaign at Le Mans in 1966, cementing Ford's dominance in the motorsport world. However, when the Cobra Jet was released in 1968, the 427 V8 was phased out. This 1969 Mach 1, therefore, represents a rare blend of two great Ford engines, the 428 Cobra Jet and the legendary 427 side oiler, giving it an almost mythical status among muscle car collectors. This particular Mustang was originally a 428 Cobra Jet model, but at some point, a previous owner decided to swap in a 427 side oiler block, giving it a unique twist. The 427 engine is paired with 428 Cobra Jet heads and an 428 Police Interceptor intake, creating a Frankenstein motor that blends the best of both worlds. This hybrid powerplant gives the car incredible performance and is a nod to the engineering ingenuity of Ford's racing legacy. Aside from the engine swap, the car features original sheet metal, wheels, and interior, though it has been modified with race-inspired upgrades like a full roll cage, traction bars, and MSD ignition. The car also boasts a hot cam and open headers, giving it a distinctively aggressive sound that makes it stand out wherever it goes. The royal maroon paint job is a nod to its racing roots, though the car was originally pastel gray when it rolled off the factory floor in 1969. What makes this car even more remarkable is that it's actually affordable by classic car standards. Priced in the upper 40s, this Mach 1 Cobra Jet 427 side oiler is a steal for anyone looking to own a piece of muscle car history. The car has been built for performance, but it also retains its street usability. Despite its race-focused modifications, the car drives well and is ready to hit the road. While it may not have the factory-installed Select air conditioning system anymore, it still offers a driving experience that few cars can match. For potential buyers, this car offers a unique opportunity to own a rare, modified version of the iconic Mach 1. Although the car could be restored to its original 428 Cobra Jet configuration, the current setup provides a thrilling driving experience that doesn't compromise on performance. Whether you're a collector or someone who simply wants a powerful, head-turning ride, this 1969 Mustang Mach 1 Cobra Jet 427 side oiler represents a great investment in automotive history. In conclusion, this 1969 Ford Mustang Mach 1 Cobra Jet 427 side oiler is the perfect combination of performance, rarity, and affordability. It's a piece of muscle car history that's ready to hit the streets and offer a once-in-a-lifetime driving experience. If you've ever dreamed of owning a legendary Ford muscle car, this might just be your chance.